We'll start by creating a circle with just 6 vertices. Then we'll create another one with 36 vertices. Note that this is an exact multiple of 6. Now we'll scale the second circle down to the size of the hole we want in the nut. The next steps are to join the 2 objects together and move into edit mode. With all the elements selected, we'll execute the Bridge Edge Loops option. Even though the 2 meshes are on the same plane, Blender created the faces we wanted correctly. Returning to object mode, we'll create a duplicate of our object, move it down in the Z direction, and join the 2 items together. Back in edit mode, we'll select the outer loops of both elements and execute Bridge Edge Loops for a second time. We'll do the same operations on the inner loops too, and in object mode, we'll apply smooth shading to eliminate the visibility of those inner faces. Although it won't affect the final render, we could change the matte cap material to give a shiny metal finish to our completed nut. As usual, perform the apply command, rename, resize, and set the origin as necessary.